Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss the synthesis of simple sentences into compound sentences. Synthesis means combining two or more simple sentences into one meaningful sentence without changing the original meaning. This process helps make our writing more coherent, fluent, and less repetitive. Now, what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence consists of two or more independent clauses joined together by a coordinating conjunction. The general structure of a compound sentence is independent clause, coordinating conjunction, and another independent clause. What is an independent clause? An independent clause is a group of words that has a subject and a predicate and can stand alone as a complete sentence. The most commonly used coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, so, yet, for, nor. These conjunctions can be remembered by the acronym FANBOYS. Rules for synthesis into compound sentences. To synthesize simple sentences into a compound sentence, we follow four basic steps. First, identify the relationship between the ideas expressed in the sentences. Second, choose the appropriate coordinating conjunction. Third, combine the sentences while maintaining their original meaning. Finally, use proper punctuation, usually placing a comma before the conjunction. Examples: the sun set and the children went home. The sunset over here is an independent clause. The children went home is another independent clause. These two sentences are joined with the help of coordinating conjunction and. He is weak, yet he is brave. Again, we have two simple sentences in this example and they are joined with the help of a coordinating conjunction, yet. Study hard or you will not pass. The weather was cold, but we went for a walk. She was tired, but she completed her work. Now let's recall what we have read so far. Synthesis combines sentences into one. Compound sentences contain two or more independent clauses. Coordinating conjunctions connect the clauses. Common conjunctions include and, but, or, so, for, and yet. Proper synthesis improves writing style and clarity.